Learn to love yourself. Have you ever heard about people having issues due to their identity? It happens when people don't want to hang out or socialize with others because they feel anxiety or inferior about their looks or personality. They feel troubled when they are outside or in a crowded place. They want to be alone and not to be a part of anything. Such people become afraid of doing things in front of people. They hesitate when someone is around and watching them. Such people usually have a lower self esteem. The concept of self love is alien to them. Self love isn't just important, it's essential. The way we feel about ourselves affects every interaction we have and every decision we make. When we love ourselves, we can set healthy boundaries and make healthy choices for ourselves. We should always know how to accept and love ourselves. We should always be grateful and thankful to the Almighty Allah because He has made us perfect and we should accept ourselves the way He had made us. As we grow up, we start to learn more about the world and ourselves. We start to find our identity and purpose in life. In the whole journey of life, we learn so many things about ourselves. We find something new about ourselves daily. We learn from our experiences and mistakes. People make mistakes and there is nothing wrong with that because mistakes makes us a better person. Our personality is based on our experiences, mistakes, learning, mindset, nature and on our thoughts. We all have the right to express our feelings, but we always should find the right way to express our feelings without disturbing or hurting others. Thank you.